In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TradingView widget to your website. First, sign into your TradingView account. On the homepage, click the More menu at the top, then select For Business. From here, choose All Widgets. You will see different widget types such as Advanced Chart, Symbol Overview, and Mini Chart. Select the one you want. In this example, I will choose the Advanced Chart. Click Get Widget to open the preview. Here you can customize the widget. Adjust size, default symbol, time zone, and color theme. For example, if I choose light theme and click Apply, the chart changes. You can also select chart style, add indicators, and modify additional settings. Once your settings are done, scroll to the Embed Code section. Click Copy Code to copy the HTML embed code. Now go to your website editor. In my case, I am using Shopify. I add a custom liquid section and paste the code. As you can see, the TradingView chart is now displayed and fully usable. You can change timeframes, zoom in, zoom out, and navigate the chart. If you want a different style, go back to the widget page and choose a smaller mini chart instead. Customize it, copy the code, and paste it on your site. That is how you embed TradingView widgets on your website. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.